How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like WhatsApp voice message are not sending problem. So let's get started. First, as you have to just check for the access of microphone to WhatsApp. For that, simply open settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application WhatsApp. After you find it, tap on that. From WhatsApp section, make sure that you have gave the access for microphone. Simply tap and turn on that. After that, you'll have to just retry that. If you are still getting that problem, make sure you have the stable internet connection. Simply you'll have to confirm it from the settings and your cellular or Wi-Fi data. After you confirm that, also you'll have to just clear the cache of WhatsApp app. For that, from the settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on iPhone storage. And from here, simply find out the application WhatsApp. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on upload app. Or let tap on upload. After you upload and simply from there, tap on the option reinstall app. Simply you'll have to just reopen your WhatsApp application. If it is not solved, you'll have to just reset your network settings. For that, from the general section again, you'll have to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset. And from here, tap on reset network settings. From here, confirm with your iPhone passcode. And from here, tap on reset network settings. After you reset all of the network settings, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.